From the dawn of aviation, humanity has constantly pushed the limits of engineering to build bigger, stronger, and more impressive aircraft. From massive military transport planes to record-breaking experimental giants, these flying machines represent some of the most ambitious achievements in aerospace history. In this video, we take a closer look at the top 10 largest aircraft ever built in history, exploring their size, purpose, and the incredible technology that allowed them to take flight. Some were designed for military power, others for cargo or innovation, but all of them share one thing in common: they changed the way we think about aviation. Don't forget to like the video and support me with a thumbs up. Get ready to discover the giants of the sky that redefine what it means to fly. Number 10 is the Airbus Beluga XL, one of the most unusual and impressive cargo aircraft ever built. It was designed by Airbus to transport oversized aircraft parts, such as wings, fuselage sections, and large components between manufacturing sites across Europe. Based on the Airbus A380, the Beluga XL features an extremely enlarged upper fuselage that gives it its iconic whale-like shape. This unique design creates a massive cargo space while the cockpit is placed below the cargo deck, allowing for easy loading of huge structures. Powered by two efficient turbofan engines, the Beluga XL offers strong performance, long-range capability, and high reliability. It plays a crucial role in Airbus production logistics, making modern aircraft assembly faster and more efficient. Despite its strange appearance, the Beluga XL is one of the most important and innovative transport aircraft in aviation history. Number 9 is the Boeing 777-300R, one of the most advanced and successful long-range passenger aircraft in aviation history. It was designed to compete in the ultra-long-haul market by offering high-capacity efficiency and reliability for international airlines. Powered by two powerful General Electric GE90 engines, the 777-300ER is one of the most powerful twin-engine jets ever built, capable of flying over 13,000 kilometers non-stop, depending on load and conditions. Its extended fuselage allows it to carry up to around 400 passengers in a typical configuration, making it ideal for busy, long-distance routes. The aircraft is known for its excellent fuel efficiency, modern avionics, and strong operational performance. It combines range, speed, and comfort, which is why it is widely used by major airlines around the world for intercontinental flights. The Boeing 777-300R remains one of the most important and successful aircraft in modern commercial aviation and a key player in global air travel. Number 8 is the Antonov An-124 Ruslan, one of the largest and most powerful cargo aircraft ever built in aviation history. Designed by the Soviet Union, it was created to transport extremely heavy and oversized military and industrial cargo over long distances. The An-124 is powered by four massive turbofan engines, giving it incredible lifting capability and allowing it to carry loads of up to around 150 tons. Its huge fuselage and unique nose that can be raised makes loading and unloading very efficient, especially for heavy vehicles, machinery, and large equipment. This aircraft has a rear cargo door and built-in landing gear system that allows it to operate on rough and unprepared runways, making it highly versatile. Despite its enormous size, it has been used worldwide for both military and civilian heavy transport missions. The Antonov An-124 Ruslan remains one of the most legendary heavy-lift aircraft ever built, representing extreme engineering power and unmatched cargo capability. Number 7 is the Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy, one of the largest military transport aircraft ever built by the United States Air Force. It is an upgraded version of the original C-5 Galaxy, designed to provide massive strategic airlift capability for heavy military cargo across intercontinental distances. The C-5M Super Galaxy is powered by four modern high-bypass turbofan engines that give it improved thrust fuel efficiency and reliability compared to earlier versions. It can carry extremely heavy loads, including tanks, helicopters, and oversized military equipment, with a payload capacity of over 130 tons. One of its most impressive features is its huge cargo bay with both front and rear loading doors allowing simultaneous loading and unloading. This makes operations much faster and more efficient despite its enormous size. The aircraft is capable of long-range global missions with in-flight refueling, extending its reach anywhere in the world. Remains a key asset for rapid deployment and strategic logistics for the U.S. military. Overall, the Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy represents one of the most powerful and essential airlift aircraft in modern military aviation. Number 6 is the Boeing 747-8, one of the most advanced and largest commercial aircraft ever built, and the final and most modern version of the legendary Boeing 747 family. It was designed to carry more passengers and cargo while improving fuel efficiency and performance compared to earlier 747 models. The Boeing 747-8 is powered by 4 high bypass General Electric GE/X engines, which provide strong thrust and better fuel economy, allowing it to fly long international routes with reduced operating costs. It features a stretched fuselage, making it the longest passenger aircraft in the world in its class. Inside, the aircraft offers a spacious 2-deck layout with improved cabin design, lighting, and comfort for passengers, depending on airline configuration. It can carry more than 400 passengers and also has a cargo version used for heavy freight operations. The 747-8 combines iconic design with modern technology, making it one of the most important and recognizable aircraft in aviation history and a true evolution of the Queen of the Skies. Number 5 is the Airbus A380-800, the largest passenger aircraft ever built in aviation history. It was designed by Airbus to revolutionize long-haul air travel by offering unmatched capacity, comfort, and efficiency for high-demand international routes. The A380-800 is a double-deck wide-body aircraft that can carry more than 500 passengers in a typical 3-class configuration, and even more in high-density layouts. It is powered by 4 powerful engines that allow it to fly long distances while maintaining stability and smooth performance. One of its most impressive features is its spacious cabin, which includes wide seating areas, quiet flight experience, and advanced in-flight entertainment systems, making it one of the most comfortable aircraft for passengers. Despite its massive size, the Airbus A380 is designed with advanced aerodynamics and technology to improve fuel efficiency and reduce noise, making it suitable for major airports around the world. Overall, the Airbus A380-800 stands as a symbol of modern aviation engineering and remains the ultimate giant of commercial passenger aircraft. Number 4 is the Caspian Sea Monster, also known as the KM Equinoplane, one of the most unusual and massive experimental vehicles ever built during the Soviet era. It was designed to operate as a ground effect vehicle flying just above the surface of the water. This massive machine was so large that it looked like a hybrid between an aircraft and a ship, but it actually flew using the aerodynamic effect created close to the water surface, allowing it to carry extremely heavy loads at high speed while staying below radar detection. Powered by multiple jet engines mounted on its front, it could reach impressive speeds for its size and was intended for military transport and potential strike missions. Its enormous wingspan and unique design made it one of the most fascinating engineering experiments in aviation history. Although it never entered full production, the Caspian Sea Monster remains a legendary symbol of Soviet innovation and one of the largest and most extraordinary flying machines ever created. Number 3 is the Hughes H-4 Hercules, also known as the Spruce Goose, one of the largest aircraft ever built in aviation history. It was designed by Howard Hughes during World War II as a massive transport seaplane intended to carry troops and equipment across long distances. The aircraft was built almost entirely from wood due to wartime metal restrictions, which made it even more unique in aviation history. Despite its enormous size, it only flew once in 1947 for a very short test flight, proving that it could actually take off and fly. It is powered by 8 large radial engines mounted on its huge wings giving it enough power to lift its massive structure into the air. The wingspan of the Spruce Goose is still one of the largest ever built in aviation. Although it never entered production, the Hughes H-4 Hercules remains a legendary engineering achievement and a symbol of ambition, innovation, and extreme aviation design. Number 2 is the Stratolaunch Roc, one of the largest aircraft ever built in aviation history. It was designed by Stratolaunch Systems to serve as a mobile air launch platform capable of carrying rockets high into the sky and releasing them for space missions. The Stratolaunch has the largest wingspan of any aircraft ever built, wider than a football field, making it a true giant of the skies. It is powered by 6 jet engines and features a unique twin fuselage design with a massive center wing structure connecting both sides. Its main purpose is not traditional transport, but to act as a launch system for orbital rockets, giving satellites and payloads a more flexible and efficient way to reach space. It can carry extremely heavy loads under its central wing section and release them at high altitude. Despite its unusual appearance, the Stratolaunch Roc represents cutting-edge aerospace, innovation, and the future of airborne space launch technology. Number 1 is the Antonov An-225 Mriya, the largest and heaviest aircraft ever built in aviation history. It was designed by the Antonov Design Bureau in Ukraine to transport extremely heavy and oversized cargo that no other aircraft in the world could carry. The An-225 is powered by 6 massive turbofan engines, giving it incredible lifting power and allowing it to carry up to around 250 tons of cargo, or even more in special cases. Its enormous fuselage and wingspan make it the longest and heaviest aircraft ever flown. One of its most famous missions was transporting the Soviet space shuttle Boeing, showcasing its unmatched capability in heavy airlift operations. It also featured a unique nose design that could be raised for easy loading of huge equipment and machinery. The Antonov An-225 Mriya was a true engineering masterpiece and a symbol of aviation excellence, and although the original aircraft was destroyed, it remains the ultimate legend of the skies.